Jai Sriman Narayan. That's cool. We are so happy to be with you on this wonderful day in the premises of this Pallavi Engineering College. At the outset, we offer Mangala Sasanams to Sriman Komrai Garu for his generous attitude in promoting good education, holistic education. We know Sriman Komrai Garu from more than 32 years. And of course, the first school is also, we are also a part of the school. In very short span of time, he took the education to its leaps and bounds. Mangala Sasanams to your team, Sriman Komrai Garu. And also he wants to make students focused by promoting wonderful games among not only within their institutions, but also with different colleges. Together he wants to promote it. So we liked the concept of Sriman Komrai Garu. And of course, he himself is a nice devotee. Education never flourishes without devotion. Devotion to the society, devotion to God, and devotion towards that education. Sriman Komrai Garu possesses all these three types of devotion which he is showing in his actions. And we bless him to grow still more and more. Today, wonderful games have been organized for Equality Cup among different colleges, like almost 52 teams have been participated, girls and boys. So nice. Those teams, there are only 10 teams from the girls and 42 teams from the boys. So boys proved their majority. Yes? Are you in majority? Yes. Oh, that's great. But what about girls? You proved your core in working with the games and with other colleges. We are so happy. Today, as our Devanatha Swamiji just mentioned, youth is the power of any nation. And that youth becomes qualitative when they are with good education, with fit bodies. Games provide that kind of fitness to the bodies. There is a secret also. Should I reveal that? We have a college for blind children, exclusively for blind. I think probably the only college in the country. And the name of the college is called Netra Vidyalaya. There, of course, blind children come, they study. Though they are blind, but they use laptops. And they give examinations also on laptops at the inter level and also degree level as well. but nobody writes in papers. Nobody covers in the TVs. Though it is only the college for the country, but the media doesn't talk about the achievements of those students. But interestingly, they participate in games. There are cricket teams for different colleges, isn't it? Among the boys, there are teams. Among the girls, there are teams. As you have cricket teams, there are teams for blind children also. Exclusively, blind children only will participate, and of course, they play. I don't know why, but unfortunately, there are no girls cricket teams for blind either in Telangana or in Andhra Pradesh. But from our Netra Vidyalaya, teams formed. For blind girls, there is a team from our Netra College and from Andhra Pradesh also, because those who studied coming from AP, and now they formed a team for AP, for Andhra Pradesh. So interestingly, for AP and Telangana also, cricket teams are from our Netra Vidyalaya only. When there is a competition, they both will play. Ultimately, winners are from Netra Vidyalaya only. Whether AP wins or Telangana wins. But that is not the whole thing. From these girls who are visually totally challenged, impaired, or totally blind, teams got selected for nationals. And there they won. And now they got selected for international cricket teams, which happened in England. Probably you guys must be knowing about the cricket games when they happen in India, isn't it? Are you observing? How many of you are interested in cricket? Not many, it looks like. Okay. There was a cricket competition happened in India. 10 games were played, and in all the 9 games, India was on the top, but coming to the end, they lost before Australia. Do you remember that? Which year? 100 marks. Yes, 23. In the same year, our blind girls were selected for international competition T20 Cup, which happened in England, and went there. They played with 3 countries. They played with Pakistan, they played with England, and finally they played with Australia. Here, our boys lost the game, but for T20, our girls brought the cup to India. Blind girls, when they returned, I think you might have seen, Modi ji received them and blessed those girls in Delhi. Why I mention this? When you study very well, probably gaining 99.999, but your name is hardly heard in TVs and papers. Yes? But when you play, when you win, and then your name will be in all the teams, displayed in all the media. Everybody talks about. So, sometimes our teaching staff comes to us and says, Swamiji, examinations are declared. During this time only, the national competitions were announced. What to do? We always suggest them, send them for the games, not to the examinations. You know why? Because there, whoever win, they are well spoken by all interested, isn't it? So we always suggest play, play, and play. Always play, keep playing. But at the same time, we have to keep the inner core also very strong by our education.